Hello guys, I am Rishika from GCEC Global Foundation. Today we have some students of us who have wrote their ACCA exams in last December. So let's have a word with them, how they prepared, how they cleared and what was the strategies. Let's go. Hello, what is your name?
I'm Jaideep.
Okay.
I'm Nikhil.
And your name? Kanak. Okay. So guys, you all have appeared in your ACCA exam. So which was the paper you have appeared for?
I gave the SBR paper in December.
I gave AFM in this.
Okay. Have you cleared those papers, guys?
Yeah, we've cleared.
Yes.
So can you please share your strategies about how you prepared the exam?
I had 4 months to prepare for SBR. The first 2 months I spent understanding the topics and getting a grip over the subject, and the rest of the 2 months was all about preparing and solving the papers so you get used to the exam environment.
Great.
So I just studied from Paresh sir. His techniques are really amazing, and I studied from study text and exam kit, and I practiced a lot of questions. That's it.
So I solved each and every question on the ACCA practice platform only, so that I'm very well known to the system of the during the exam time.